So hello everyone, welcome to Quick Python. So today we are going to make a table program using while loop. In the previous video you have seen that we have made this program using for loop. So for that we will use num. First two lines are same as previous one. So num is equal to input. So enter the number. So as we know that we are going to use here numbers, so integer method are used because all the numbers are integers. So if you will not use this, so there will be a error in program. So suppose the initial value of I is equal to 0, and using while loop, while I is less than or equal to 10, because we are going to make tables at 10 places. So now I will be increased by 1 each time the value of I will increase by 1. So print I into number. So our program is ready. Let's save it and run it. So you will see it will ask for a number. So my number is 675. So you can see this is a table of 675. So goodbye for today. We will meet in the next video.